Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are gonna learn about pre-maths concept and pre-maths activities, and we are also gonna discuss about the different categories included in the pre-maths concept and the pre-maths activities. So the first one is the numerical sense, correspondence, and the concept like one correspondence and the number recognitions. And so the second one is the algebraical sense. It includes the activities and the concept like sorting by shapes, size and quantity, odd one out, and the pattern replication. Third one is the geometrical sense. It includes the activity and the concepts like shape identify, shape sorting and the shape creation. And the fourth one is the mensurational sense. It includes the activity and the concept like the comparison of the objects on the basis of their size like big and small, on the basis of their height like short and tall, on the basis of their weight like heavy and light, and also measuring activities under this like the concept of full and empty and the more and less. So I'm gonna make I perform all these activities in this video, and you can watch all these activities further in the video. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So let's get started. So I show you a number here, and you have to paste the apples according to the number. Okay? Okay. So which number is this?
The 3 number.
3. Okay, put it here. Now pick the 3 apples and paste it here.
3.
One, louder. 1,
1,
2,
2,
yes, and
and 3.
3. Clapping. Okay. Now I'm gonna put another number. What number is this?
This is 5.
5. Pick the 5 apple and paste it on the apple tree. Fast. 1,
1,
2,
2,
and
and 5.
3,
And 4.
4. Very nice. And
And
5. Clapping. So this is a magic trick. Okay, one number is hidden in a box and you have to find out the number. Okay, throw your paint it. Okay. Okay, so which number is this? Are you
6.
6? Okay, so let's paint the next box and tell me which number is hidden in this box. Paint it. Which number is this? Tell me which number is this?
4 number.
So you have to sort these out according to the shapes. You know shapes, na? So start. Ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Okay, next activity is sorting out by sizes. Okay, so you have to you have to take out the take out this Lego according to the sizes: small, medium, and big. Okay, so start. Hello.
Hello.
Let's start an activity.
Yeah.
So our activity name is odd one out. Okay.
Okay.
You know what is odd one out?
Yeah.
The which one is different? You have to cross it. You have to
Close.
cross it. So we have S to D. Which one is odd? Cross it. Yes, cross it. Okay, odd one out. Odd one out. Fast.
This is
This is odd one. Very nice. Put cross on it. Very nice. Why it is odd one?
because color the orange.
Because color is orange. Very nice. And one more reason is there.
Because it's alphabet.
Very nice. Because it's alphabet. Which alphabet is this? This is H. Okay. 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 Now which one is odd?
This is
This one. Put your cross on it. Why this is odd?
because it's the small.
Because this is small among three. This is the smallest among three. Very good. Odd one out. Put your cross. Very nice. Clapping. It's odd out of these three. Put your cross. Cross it. Very nice. Which one is odd? Yes. Cross it. Very good. Which one is odd? Cross it. This one, put your cross on it. Very nice. One out. Which one is?
This is odd.
This one. Sir, put your cross on it. Cross it. Why this is odd?
Because of gray color.
Very good. This is a green color and other two are the red in color. Very nice. Odd one out.
Where one is odd?
Which one is? Put your cross on it. Cross it. Very nice. Why it is odd one?
Because it's a number.
Very nice. Because it's a number and other two are alphabets. Very good. So odd one out. Which one is odd? Which one is odd? Yeah, this one is odd. Why this is odd?
Because color is the pink.
Very nice. Because color is the color.
Pink.
Pink. And other two are?
Same.
Other two are same. And what is the color of other two?
Blue.
Blue. Very nice.
Mama.
So this is a pattern replica activity. There is an empty basket. You can see this empty basket.
Yes.
What is the color of this basket?
Green.
Okay, so you have to put in this. What you have to put in this? I'll give you some clue. Okay, the first shape is triangle. Second,
Triangle.
then
No,
third, then
triangle.
and then
Circle.
circle. So what is after circle? Circle के after क्या है? What is? What shape is there after circle?
This. Heart.
Which shape is this?
Heart.
So you have to put. What will you have to put in this basket? Put. Go. Very nice. So you have put heart in this basket. Very good. So now I put basket here. Okay. So which shape is this? Which shape is this?
Sphere.
Square. Then
Oval. Sun.
then
Sphere. Oval.
oval. Okay. So after oval क्या है? What is after oval?
This also oval and this star.
Star है after oval. So what will you put in this basket?
Star.
Star. Put. Very good. The basket is in the front of the third row. Okay. What is the color of this block?
Pink.
Then
One.
yellow.
Yellow.
Then
Green. Pink. Yellow.
Yellow after क्या है? What is yellow after yellow? What is after yellow?
This is
Which color block we will put in this basket? बताओ which color block we will put in the basket?
green.
Put. Very nice. Now I put this basket in front of the fourth row. Okay. Which shape is this?
Here.
Which?
Little star. One. Add. Shaka. Cat. Nay. Tanga.
Triangle. Wait.
Diamond. Semicircle.
So you have to sort these out according to the shapes. You know shapes, na? So start. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, let me explain this activity. This basket is for big object. This basket is for small object. Okay? You have to put big object in this and small object in this. Okay? I'll give you two objects. Okay. So I am giving these two pencils. You have to put big pencil in this and small pencil in this. Start. Big, very nice. Small, clapping. Now you have two elephants. What are these?
This is our elephant.
This is our elephant. Put in a big and small basket.
This is so heavy.
This is so heavy. This is a big elephant. Very nice. And this is very nice. Okay, now you have two boxes. Now, which one is big? Which one is small? First tell me which one is big.
This is big.
This is big. Put in the big basket. Which one is small? Okay, put in the basket where the small has written. Very nice. We have two truck here. Okay, one is small and one is big. What are these name of this truck? What is the name of this truck?
Loading truck.
Loading truck. Put in the big and small basket. Big, very nice. And this is small. Clapping. We are having two bus. Okay, one is big and another one is small. So put it in the respective basket. Next.
Bus.
Yes.
This is a small bus.
Very
Small bus.
bus. Okay, very nice.
And this is a big bus.
This is a
Big bus.
very nice. Start next activity. Start another activity. Okay, this basket is for heavy object. This basket is for light object. I'll give you two objects. Okay, you check and tell me which one is heavy and which one is light. Okay, got it? So the first thing I'm having
Light.
this feather, having this and this book. Out of this, which is heavy?
Heavy.
This heavy. Put in the basket of heavy basket. This is light. Yes, put in the light basket. Very good. And put in the heavy basket.
Pink and green.
Next I'm having this balloon. Okay, and this box. So which one is heavy and which one is light? Tell me, which one is heavy?
This is heavy.
Pick this up. This is heavy. Put in the heavy. Put in the basket. Very good. Light. Very good. Heavy. Now I'm having this potato and this leaf. Which one is heavy? Which one is light?
This is so heavy.
This is so heavy. So put in the basket of the heavy.
This is so light.
This is so light. So put in the basket of light fast. Very good. Very nice. Both are elephants. We are having these two elephants. Both are elephants. One is heavy, one is light. You can pick this up and check which one is heavy.
This is heavy.
Okay, so put in the basket of the heavy. Very good. Light. Put in the basket of heavy basket. What is this?
Elephant.
Elephant. Now I am having this block, this Lego, and this. Which one is heavy and which one is light?
This is light.
This is light. Put in the basket of light.
This is heavy.
Okay, put in the basket of light. Heavy. Start the next concept?
Yes.
It is the concept of tall and short. Okay, okay. Tell me short and tall. Tall,
And so.
short. Again, short, tall. Very nice. Again,
So.
huh.
Tall.
The concept of tall and short. I'll give you some objects. Out of this, you have to find out which one is tall and which one is short. Got it? Got it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So I have
No.
this. Okay. So I have this blocks. So which one is tall and which one is short?
This is top
Short. Very good.
and this is short.
Short. Good.
And tall.
Very nice. Tall.
So.
This basket has less blocks and this basket has more blocks. Less, more. Is full.
Full.
And this one is
Empty.
empty. Very nice. This one is
And
empty because it has no alphabets. Okay.
yes.
This basket is
Full.
and this one is
Empty.
empty. Very good. Yeah, this is full with blocks and this is empty because there is no block.
Yes.